So in this particular section, we're going to talk about the rotate tool. All right. So for the rotate tool, this is where you get to find it under the modification tools. So hit on this icon. As you can see, our command line has already activated the command that is active at the moment. That is the rotate command. So to rotate our object, if you don't know the next step to do, always refer at the command line, or rather the command window. All right. So at the command line, it's telling us select the object. So what you're going to do, select, then hit enter. All right. Now it is telling us to specify a base point. Go at any point of your liking. You can specify any point, even if it is outside the drawing area, any point as your base point. But for us, we're going to use this particular point as our base point. So hit on it. Then, as you can see, now our object is rotating. Okay, so our command line is telling us specify a rotation angle. So you can just, let's say we need from the initial point of this rectangle, it was already at 0 degrees. So if you want a specific angle, you can just specify it. Come over here, then specify, we can have maybe an angle of 60 degrees. So write 60 degrees, then hit enter. Now you can see our rectangle has rotated in an angle of 60 degrees. And that's how we use the rotate command, or rather the rotate tool. See you on the next section.